Hey, Tristan here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to view parts as a separate line item in RepairDesk. This is a feature that we're super excited about. It becomes really important in regions where tax regulation requires that services and parts be billed separately. I'll start by showing you what we're used to seeing. Here I've got a ticket for an iPhone 14 that needs a new battery. Here we have the service, here we have the part. If we go to the billing section of this ticket, we can see that that service and part is billed in one lump sum. We can see this even clearer in the ticket's invoice. One line item for part and service. For some regions, tax regulation does not allow for this. They want to see parts and labor as two separate line items. Configuring this is super simple. We'll hover over these 9 dots and we'll select Store Settings. On the left, we'll select Repairs and then Tickets and Repairs. We'll go to the Repairs tab on the right. We'll scroll down. And right here, we'll enable Show Part as Separate Line Item. The first thing that we see is that enabling this setting does override other settings. If you have other settings in the configuration module that are similar, this configuration module will take precedence. The first thing we can decide is, do we charge tax on services? Yes or no? In this case, we're going to say yes. The next thing you get to decide is, how do you want to price your parts? Are you going to price your part based off of the retail price, the cost price, or do you not want to price parts at all? In this case, we're going to say add part with cost price. The last thing you get to decide is, how do you charge tax on that part? Do you charge tax or do you not charge tax? We're going to charge tax on the part. Right here, we've got a really nice summary of that configuration. We'll click Save and Enable. On the configuration module, you've got another summary of that configuration. Really nice and easy to read. Now, let's create a new ticket and see what changes were made. Same thing, we'll create a ticket. We're going to say that Tristan has an iPhone 14, and that iPhone 14 needs a new battery. We'll pair the service, and then we'll pair the part. We'll click Confirm, and right here you can see in the ticket we've got the service and we've got the part as two separate line items. We'll create the ticket. In the ticket module, same thing. We've got the service and we've got the part. We'll create the invoice. And same thing, on the invoice, we've got the service and we've got the part as two separate line items. And that is how you show parts as separate line items in RepairDesk.